all the parties, we, the Biafrans and Nigerians, all of us that are now Nigerians, must be together in making that constitution. But lo and behold, 1979, Nigerian government made a decree, 1979, made a decree, which they call constitution, without involving us. And then they say, we, the people, made the constitution. It's a lie. We did not participate in making the constitution. You broke the terms of the surrender. Where this matter is in court, we will go to it later. So, we're talking about politics, and we want to participate in. I want to round off now by inviting you to join the Mobbinites, the Biafran politicians. Join the Mobbinites, the Biafran politicians, and you'll be guided. You play your role in political maneuvering, political engineering to save your people. God bless you. Thank you for listening to me. Bye.